Hi everyone, my name is Anand Kalvit. I'm going to be talking about incentivized exploration via filtered posterior sampling. This is joint work with Yoni Gur and Alex Littles. So this talk, this work finds its motivation and recommendation systems, which are essentially massive platforms that aggregate user information. So typically platforms aggregate information from historical users. This could be stuff such as the ratings that they left, reviews, purchase decisions, travel times on select routes, etc. They curate and present this information to subsequent users of the system in order to optimize long-term user engagement. Now, a key challenge that is sort of like a salient feature of many of these settings is the misalignment of incentives that exists between the platform that is forward-looking and users that are myopic. They're essentially interested in their one-step reward. Now, one natural way for the platform to align incentives that does not involve monetarily compensating the agents is by exploiting what is known as information asymmetry, which is just another way of saying that the platform actually has access to much more information than what the users see. And the platform can basically utilize this information asymmetry to nudge users into taking actions that the platform wants them to take. So by now, incentivized exploration is a very well-studied and well-established paradigm in econ CS research, whereby the platforms essentially leverage information asymmetry, which is to say that they filter the information that is revealed to users selectively in order to influence their actions. Okay, so what we do in this work is we extend the state-of-the-art of incentivized exploration along three practical dimensions, namely private user types. This pertains to the situation where some of the user covariates may not be a priori observable. Informative recommendations. This corresponds to the setting where the recommendation or the informational nudge provided by the platform goes beyond a direct recommendation. And we also sort of like our model also allows for handling correlated Bayesian priors as opposed to priors that are independent across primitives of the problem, which was the standard setting studied in prior work. Now, in comparison, prior work along each of these dimensions is of a preliminary nature. We also propose a unified signaling mechanism or a messaging policy, which is an extension of the well-known multi-unbanded approach of posterior sampling. We provide a general guarantee for this mechanism, which, among other things, recovers the three dimensions that are highlighted above as corollaries, as well as subsumes all prior work on posterior sampling for incentivized exploration as sort of corollaries of our main result. Lastly, we also identify and sort of propose a key notion called spectral diversity of warm-up data, which in some sense encapsulates the core complexity associated with the incentivized exploration problem. I'll be happy to talk more. Please feel free to stop at the poster, and the full talk will be on July 11th. Thank you.